Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here. And today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to My AI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, My AI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how My AI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
Thank you for joining me for another session of this My AI training tutorial with Nowsite. Today, we will be taking a look at making use of our compliance tool. So we're going to go right into the post creation tool. And here I'm going to select one of the options here. I'm going to select one of my business profile with the objective of promoting. And here, for example, I'm going to get the basic of a conversation. I guarantee that you will make $1,000 per week with my coaching. And I'm going to ask the AI to generate a conversation based on this guarantee. Now, the I will review basically the product, the objective, and the conversation, and give me basically the sum of what have asked. At this point here, you can see that I have the compliance check that can help me rate the risk of this conversation. It is between the AI and the get started. So I'm going to click on the compliance check, and you can see that the original post will be additionally provided with a suggested post and the rating. So you can see here that this conversation is a high risk one, and the AI will explain the factors and will offer an alternative with less of a risk. At this point, I can update this and decide to run with this safer approach in my conversation. We definitely recommend using this tool as much as possible if you feel that your guarantees could lead you into some high risk conversation.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of My AI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that My AI can do to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on My AI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so. And I will be happy to answer that for you. So, with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So, until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.